Every job site, in every corner of the country, is powered by tools. They help you work smarter, safer, and more efficiently. But simply having tools and supplies won't get the job done. You have to get them into the hands of the workers who need them, when they need them. To do that, you need to make sure that you've got the right tools and supplies for the job, and that everything is in safe working order, and that it's located where it's supposed to be on site. You need easy access to cutting-edge tools and supplies that are ready to go when you are. You need United Rentals Tool Solutions. Tool Solutions equips your site with a wide range of quality tools, supplies, and site access equipment built on a foundation of industry-leading technology, plus industry experts to help manage and maintain it all. From on-site tool trailers staffed by experienced techs, to state-of-the-art supplies on-demand trailers and Pro Boxes on demand that track and monitor tool usage autonomously, to complete communications systems that keep your workers connected and up to date. We'll work with you to develop a custom solution that helps you complete your project on time and on budget. United Rentals has the largest tool rental fleet in the industry. You'll have access to top brands and models, including pneumatic, electric, and cordless options, all delivered to your site in the container that's best for the job. Our two-way radio systems ensure your job site or event will have efficient and reliable communications, whether in a flat and open workspace or in challenging, congested urban environments. Plus, you'll have access to comprehensive 24/7 service and technical support teams to keep your tools and communication systems up and running when you need them most. Renting with Tool Solutions brings better organization and visibility to your site to improve efficiency. Our asset tracking system and on-demand products allow you to track the location and usage of your tools and communication equipment, helping you reduce tool loss, reduce costs, and increase productivity. With locations all across North America, United Rentals Tool Solutions is your one-stop shop for all tooling needs, providing quality tools and supplies, complete communication systems, advanced tech, and industry expertise to help boost productivity and lower costs. Contact us today, and let's get to work on your next project.